Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, clear 3 inventory slots and activate a fast travel option so you can reset quickly. Equip items that increase luck or drop rate. These improve spawn persistence and your chance to get a Lucidus Totem. Once done, position yourself at the Lucidus spawn zone right before the spawn window. Timing matters because spawn cycles are fixed. Make sure to enable any 10% plus drop buffs, and note the in-game clock so you can execute the next steps precisely. You now control the farming loop. Bait with nearby mobs to guide Lucidus into predictable pathing. This reduces lost spawns. Use one-shot rotations or high-damage bursts to clear encounters fast. Stagger cooldowns so you never wait. Once Lucidus appears, prioritize a safe, repeatable kill that preserves items. This maintains the spawn rate. Repeat short runs in batches of 10 to 15. Observe spawn patterns and tweak your bait or timing if Lucidus begins appearing off-route. You finish by looting immediately and applying any final luck consumables right before opening corpses or chests. Timing affects drop checks. If you've done roughly 30 runs with no totem, change zones briefly, relog, and clear local map caches to reset server-side state. Make sure no conflicting buffs or third-party mods are influencing drops. Disable them and retest for 5 runs. This troubleshooting step resolves most hidden conflicts and gets your drop rate back to expected levels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.